This is the Layered Anemone die set from Spellbinders Paper Arts and Lisa Horton Crafts. There are 7 different dies within the set that you can use to layer together to create some beautiful anemones. And I love the fact that these flowers are simple enough that you can use them to create other types of flowers as well. My first thought was poppies as well as cosmos. They work beautifully for both of those. I like using sets like this to create with and use up different cardstock scraps and die cut from different colors. And then I like to do a little bit of ink blending to add some extra dimension. They're very easy to layer and put together to create the flowers. I like to use some liquid glue so that I have room to shimmy and move things around if I need to. For the smaller pieces, I use a jewel picker in order to help pick them up and place them. It makes it very easy to get them exactly where I want them to go. I also typically will put my die cuts on top of an acrylic block over top of my card when I'm placing everything to know what the placement is going to look like. And that way I have that placement on that acrylic block when I move it over to start actually assembling the pieces on my card. I like the fact that the leaves are separate from the stems, so you can easily place them where you want them and tuck them where you want them. And even though this die set has stems, you can see from my last card, you don't need to necessarily use them. You can just layer the flowers together. This is a fantastic die set and perfect for creating embellishments for the fronts of cards.